If the admin wants to generate a partial refund to any of the paid invoice, what they can do is they would first go to the invoicing page. Then from here, from the all invoicing page, the admin can filter out the table's content based on the status of the invoice. And they click on apply. You'll see that the table will only show the invoices which have been paid. So the admin would click on the invoice ID for the invoice for which they want to generate the partial refund. Once they click on the invoice ID, they would be taken to the invoice details page of that invoice. So on this page, at the bottom right, there is a button which says refund. So the admin would click on the button, and here you can see that the invoice ID and the amount of this invoice is shown. And in case the admin wants to generate a partial refund, they don't want to fully refund this invoice, they would first need to uncheck this box which says full refund. So once the admin unchecks this field for the refund amount, it becomes editable. So the admin can type out the amount they want to refund. Suppose they want to refund $100. So once they've entered the amount, below they can select the refund mode, whether they want this amount to be converted as a credit balance for the family or they want to issue this refund via the original payment method. So once the admin has selected an option for the refund mode, they would click on continue. So now you can see that the status of this invoice has been updated to partially refunded. And then the admin can go back to the table, clear out all the filters, and they would be able to see that this invoice has been marked as partially refunded. And the family would have received the notification about this and they would have received the amount as credit balance. So this is how the admin can generate a partial refund for any paid invoice.